Hello guys, so this video is about how you can download videos from social media such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and all other social networks. All you have to do is just follow the instructions I'll be giving in this video and you are good to go. You can start downloading your videos right away. So the first thing you have to do is let's go to the website. You have to go to savefrom.net. savefrom.net. Now, this platform is the number one platform for downloading videos from all forms of social network. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see there is Facebook there's Instagram, there's YouTube, there's Twitter. By default, these platforms don't allow people to download videos from their website. But with the help of this website, you are good to go. Now, once you get to the site, it's going to tell you to enter the URL. Now, let's take Facebook for example. All you have to do is go to the video you want to download. For example, I'm interested in downloading this video. All I have to do right now is just click on these three dots at the top, copy the link and go straight to the website. Now I'm going to enter the link right here. The same things are applicable to Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. Now once you enter the link, it's going to generate the thumbnail that's something to show you the video you're about to download. Don't forget we have the higher density and the SD option, so you have to select the one that fits what you want to download. For this case, let's download SD rather. Now once you click on download, click on it again to be sure it's downloading. Now it's saying download again, that means it's already downloading now, but you can just click on download again, and once you click on download again, that's it. It's telling us we are downloading 2 files. So technically your download has started already, and that is 2 files. So even if you don't click it the second time, it's already downloading. You just have to relax. So guys, now that you have learned how to download videos on social network, just make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if this is your first time of watching our videos. I love you so much and I hope to see you next time, and bye for now.